weird way to start this video, but guitar and writing music is my other biggest passion besides cars, which is also very expensive when you factor in buying amps and guitars and things. So my two biggest hobbies are not exactly not time consuming and not exactly not expensive. But with that being said, I wanted to do this little itty bitty little update, but not quite as much as the other one because it's already been almost twice as long at this point in my filming of the video. However, I just wanted to address a few things, talk about my upload schedule, and give you guys a little reassurance, and I'm gonna set this guitar down. Any of you guys who may be guitarists that also watch the channel know that there is absolutely nothing like a cranked up tube amp, which this was not really cranked up at all. In the room, it sounds absolutely phenomenal. But anyway, I wanted to just take a moment here to talk in my studio. It's dark outside. I have nice lights in here that give good lighting, so hopefully that looks good. But I just wanted to talk a little bit about my upload schedule and how filming and everything, and basically my process for how that is done, and basically give a little reassurance that I'm not just gonna disappear off the face of the earth again. Throughout my entire absence, this channel was always in the back of my mind. I always wanted to create content of some sort, and you know, I thought about a lot of different things. I even started a channel or two that I never ended up uploading to. But honestly, the thing that was always in the back of my mind was, you know, and I want to do these car videos. I've always really enjoyed doing this, but I think it got to the point where I made it feel like a chore to myself, basically. And I can honestly say that more than ever before, filming these videos is just so enjoyable for me, and I really have been having a great time, more than I ever have previously over the last several years at this point of making these car videos. I got a new computer that makes my workflow a million times better when it comes to thumbnails and video editing and things such as that. But as you guys may have noticed on the new channel art, the upload schedule as of right now is every single Saturday, and the content you guys are seeing is actually at the point that you're seeing it and where I am in my schedule about 5 or 6 weeks ahead of when some of the stuff will actually be filmed. And that's really good for me because having these uploads be scheduled and basically continuing to film while I have essentially a backlog of videos that's building up, that helps me not to become overwhelmed, but also just keeps me going and keeps the videos fun. It's very possible that you'll see a couple videos like this one sprinkled in here and there, besides just uploading on Saturdays, but for the most part you can always expect to see a video on Saturday at 8 a.m. That's 8 a.m. my time, which is Central. So I guess I just kind of wanted to film this video to basically tell you guys, you don't need to be worried that I'm just going to disappear again, because I told my friend Zane this the other day, that I, more than ever before, have this feeling inside of my gut that I'm like, I can't stop uploading, I've got to do this, I want to do this, I can't just give up and let go. Always beforehand, first of all, I never really had content that was that far in advance. A lot of times I would film a video, edit it, and upload it that day or the next day, or I would pace myself and wait until a video had just come out and then upload a video a couple days later or something like that. But the way that I was doing that and always being like, oh shoot, I'm gonna have to film something soon, that makes it really easy to get burnt out really quick. And so the way that I'm going about filming these videos, it's possible that with some sorts of content that take longer to film, like, you know, installing parts or doing some sort of maintenance or whatever it may be, it's possible that this schedule of my recording basically may change, and there's potential for that to get slightly more hectic. But for the time being, I've never been more motivated to keep this channel going. So for any of you guys that are watching and are excited for content that will continue coming out, continue being excited, because as far as I'm concerned, that content's not going to stop anytime soon, and I appreciate you guys watching so much and all the support that I have received since coming back from the channel and everything. It's been pretty spectacular. Right now I have uploads that are through the end of this month of October, all the way into the beginning of November, and I'm continuing to film new content every few days. And so I am incredibly excited to continue doing this. I can't wait to see where this channel goes, especially with you guys' support. So with that being said, if you guys are enjoying the content that you've seen on the channel recently, consider subscribing if you would like to see more, and click that notification bell so that you can always be notified about when new content is released every single Saturday at 8 a.m. My bad. And if you really want to support the channel, ironically, I've already mentioned this before in videos that will be uploaded later, but this will be the first that you guys are hearing about it. I recently just set up a Patreon as well, so if you would like to donate to the channel and help me to continue to financially support making these videos, that would be much, much appreciated. All donations from Patreon go straight back into the channel and making the content, whether that be for parts or for equipment or for whatever it may be. And if you don't want to or you can't donate, I totally understand that. That's absolutely fine. You guys are all awesome for watching these videos in the first place. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video once again. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys all next time.